Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Math Tutorials. So far as this YouTube channel is concerned, I will give you 100% clarity on all the topics. Remember that your grade A, okay, is very, very important, and that is also my priority. All right, let's start the business. Today we are going to consider another factorial concept known as alternating factorial. Alright? Essentially, alternating factorial is mathematically denoted by this. A, F, this way. So you have what? Alternating factorial of n. Alright? Which is equal to. Now, viewers, this is very simple. So you'll be having a positive integer. Let's call it n factorial, alright? And now, it's just similar to the ordinary or the regular factorials you already know, alright? But this time around, we are going to alternate between positive and negative. What it means is this. So if I begin with a positive integer, then my next sign or my next integer will attain what? A negative sign. Do you get that? So we have negative, then followed by what? Positive, then followed by what? Negative. So they keep what? Alternating. Alright? So alternatively, alright? So what you do is you just what? Add and subtract what? The factorials. Alright? So we have it this way. So class, this is what? Positive n factorial. So my next term will be what? Will be negative what? We have negative. Then we'll be having what? We'll be having n minus 1 what? Factorial this way. Remember, the numbers what? Keep what? Reducing. Alright? Until you get to 1, then you stop eventually. So because we are doing alternating, so this is positive. My next term attains what? A negative sign. And my next term also attains what? A positive what? Sign. So they keep alternating. So we have what? N minus 2, alright? Viewers, this is what? Positive. So my next term attains what? A negative sign. So we have what? N minus 3. Sorry, we have factorial here, then this is also a factorial. Then we are going to alternate, right? So my next term attains what? A positive what? Sign. So we have a plus what? N minus 4 what? Factorial. Then negative, then in that regard. That is all, alright? So viewers, let us consider these questions in order to throw more light on the topic alternating factorial. Evaluate the following alternating factorials of n. So 1, evaluate the alternating factorial of 5. It is written this way, alright? So this is given by class. You begin with the number 5. So have it to be what? 5 what? Factorial. Then remember, you keep what? You keep subtracting 1 from the integer, okay? So what will be my next number in the decreasing order? So when you subtract 1 from 5, what do you have? 4. So I have what? 4 what? Factorial. But viewers, remember, this is what? This is a positive sign. So 4 factorial attains what? A negative sign. So first I have a negative sign here. My next integer will attain what? A positive sign, which is what? You have a 3 factorial. Remember, for the numbers, just subtract 1 from it, alright? To get the next what? Descending, integer, alright? So class, here is what? Positive. So my next term will attain what? A negative sign. So minus what? 2 what? Factorial. Remember, we are alternating between positive and negative, right? So this is negative. My next term will attain what? A positive sign. So plus what? 1 factorial. When you get to 1 factorial, that indicates your ending point or your terminating point. As simple as that. And by the help of the calculator, we have 5 factorial, then minus 4 factorial plus 3 factorial minus 2 factorial okay, then plus what? 1 factorial gives 101. So we have to do 100 and what? And 1, as simple as that. So the second question is find the alternating factorial of 5. Sorry, this is of 4. So you have it this way, alternating factorial of 4. Remember, you start with the number 4, then you subtract 1 from it, okay? So you have what? 4 factorial, then the next sign what? Negative. So negative 3 factorial, then what? This is negative. The next term will attain what? A positive sign. Then plus 2 what? Factorial. This is positive. The next integer will attain what? A negative sign. So minus what? 1 what? Factorial. And by the help of the calculator, okay, we are supposed to get, so we have 4 factorial, then minus 3 factorial, then plus 2 factorial, then minus 1 factorial, and we are getting what? 19. As simple as that. Viewers, let us consider alternating factorial of 3. So alternating factorial of 3 is equal to, you begin with the number 3, so you have 3 factorial. This is positive, so my next integer or number attains a negative sign. So minus what? Then 2 factorial. Remember, this is negative. My next term attains what? A positive what? Sign. So by the help of the calculator, I'm having 3 factorial minus 2 what? Factorial, then plus 1, and we are getting the number what? 5. Okay, and the alternating factorial of 2, okay, is equal to 1, and the alternating factorial of 1 is equal to 1. Viewers, this is the end to this simple or trivial topic under factorial concepts. Stay tuned where I keep you posted. Bye.